What's up everyone, my name is Mark Plant and this is MPV Vlogs. Hey everyone, like I said, my name is Mark Plant and this is MPV Vlogs. Thanks for coming in, I do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button down on the bottom. Really does help this channel out a lot. If you're already a subscriber, you know I do appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. You're the reason I'm able to do these videos. If you could hit that bell icon down on the bottom, it'll give you a notification anytime I put up a new video. If you're using a mobile device, just make sure that notifications are allowed or you won't get the notification. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, so what we're going to do in this video is going to be a quick one. We have a quick unboxing. As if you've been following my channel along, you've seen that I've been doing some woodworking. And I've actually gotten into a little bit of sign carving. One of the issues that you get with sign carving, obviously, is a lot of dust. And what happens is, with the carving, the dust gets caught inside of the carving, and it's hard to get out. So I've been using the compressed air. What I should have is a compressor with an air hose or an air gun, and where I can blow everything out. The only problem is I can't justify spending $150 to $200 on an air compressor just for a hose. So I was going to purchase some more of the compressed air cans because they seem to work pretty well. But they're about anywhere from $12 to $16 a piece and they go pretty quick. So what I did was I went onto Amazon looking for a solution and I think I may have found one. I ended up finding on Amazon this product by a company called Borcarft. Borcarft. And what it is it's a plug-in nozzle, I guess, or hose. They label it as an ear duster. And I mean, they're basically saying to use it inside the car, on computer keyboards and such. Basically the same thing that the compressed air cans will work with. So this was $27, so I figured it's less than 2 cans of compressed air. I'd give it a shot. Worst comes to worst, I mean, I can use it on my computer desk where I edit these videos. We'll try it out. So what do you say we open it up and let's see what comes with it. Okay, so this is the box. It's, like I said, the Borcarft air duster. Supposed to have powerful airflow, speed control, long working time, and portable. Comes with several attachments. Where are they? Yeah, it's right on the front. Several attachments to help with the different things. I think most likely I'll be using the one with the brush or the tip. The power supply is a DC 5 volt. I hope that's not batteries. 9 volt. Ooh, this might be I thought it was plug-in. Well, we'll see. I might not have the batteries for this. 68 watts rated power, output airflow. Working temperature is anywhere from 14 degrees up to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah, charging temperature. Okay, so it's rechargeable, I guess. And probably would have helped if I looked at that when I ordered it. But you can charge it anywhere from 2 below zero up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. It's 6.3 inches by 3.9 by 2.6. Okay, and it weighs roughly a pound. So what do you say we open this up and let's see what comes with it. Hopefully it's not battery. Get it out. It's in there good. Wow, is it in there good? Well, I guess we'll take the tips out. I said we got this one here with the brush on it. I think that is for blowing up like an air mattress. That's probably what I use the most for blowing out the letters when I carve. I'm not sure what this one would be used for, but we'll figure it out. See if I can get this out. Okay, there is a plug here. There we go. Oh, and we got one more attachment. A longer wider one than this one here. So take this out. Okay, so it is rechargeable batteries in it. Okay. This is the model C4915. Okay, and can't plug a plug into it, so it's rechargeable. Okay. All right, so let me double check actually. Let's see, I didn't think I had power in it, but it does. You're supposed to hold it for 3 seconds. There you go. It does have some power in it. Nice LED light in it. This is on low speed. If I want to step up another speed, I press one more, the button. If I want to go to the 3rd speed, there you go. That works really nice. And then to shut it off, just press the button again. So there's some good air coming out of that. Let's check out, see how it does blowing dust. Okay, this candle here has captured a lot of dust there, as you can see. So let's see how it works. Okay, so we're on the lowest speed. Wow. Go up another. Go to the highest. This is on a rag. How much? And you click it one more time, shut it off. That's really good. This is exactly what I was looking for. Now, we'll see how long this lasts on whether it's any good or not, but right now, this looks pretty good. So I recommend this. For the price, you can't beat it. Like I said, I believe that it was roughly around $30, between $30 and $40 I paid for this. I believe it was $27, but it might have been a little bit more, but I'm pretty happy with it. All right, so that was my unboxing and review of the Borcarft ear duster that I got off of Amazon. I'll put a link to this product below if you're interested in it. Just a disclaimer, I do get a little bit of a commission if you do purchase. Trust me, not that much, but I do get a commission. I recommend this. This is a really nice product. I think it'll be cheaper than having to keep on purchasing cans of that compressed air to clean out my carvings and such. So we'll see. Hopefully it lasts a while. It's not one of these things that only lasts for a month, but if it does, I'll let you know. But that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Like I said, if you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. It really does help us out. If you already subscribed, hit the bell icon just to get a notification anytime I put up a new video. If you're using a mobile device, just make sure that notifications are allowed. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. Leave me a comment below. Let me know why you liked it or didn't like it. But like I said, that's it for this video. I will get back to you guys again real soon with a new product. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it, and I'll see you again real soon.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah.